Hey yo, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing something completely different. We're building Legos. I haven't built Legos since I was like 12 or 13. The last one I built was Marvel's Avengers, the Hulkbuster. Rest in peace to that guy. I don't know where he went. But anyways, we got this botanical collection dried flowers centerpiece. Nice little box, nice aesthetics. Look at that lady holding that thing up right there. Anyways, 18 and plus. This ain't for children, so if you see me building Legos, stop judging me. It's 18 and plus. You got 812 pieces. I haven't built Legos in a long minute. I'm not very smart when it comes to following instructions and building stuff like this, so we'll see how that goes. Without further ado, man, I'm kind of excited. Let's get right into today's video, man. Let's open this box up. How do you even open? All right, you got. That was easy. There's little instructions on how to open a box for someone stupid like me. God damn. Hey yo, where's the instructions, man? Why are they giving me two? I figured it out. This is part two, this is part one. Duh. Start with bag number one. Excuse me. Alright. Move all the other bags to the side. Sideways. Yeah. So this is what I have so far. It looks like a basketball court, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright. It's turning into like a spaceship, bro. I thought I was bidding flowers, bro. Why is it looking like a spaceship, bro? What is this shit? Anyways, we move. I need 4 of these. Oh, that makes sense. Duh. On to bag 2. Oh, that's a lot. All right, look at that. Got my first flower stuck. This is how it's looking right now. Yo, we got some flower action going on. Flowers coming along. Not too bad, not too bad. Looks pretty nice. Yes, sir. All right, I just finished the first book Yeah, that's done with. And anyways, this is what I got so far. It's looking pretty nice if you ask me, man. Got the nice flower here. I don't know what type of flower that is, but it's a beautiful looking flower. But yeah, we on bag number 4 now, and let's get right into it, baby. We see half of it already. You see? You dig? Alright. Yo. Damn it, I didn't make a big enough hole. Eat. Yeah. Bag number 4. Hello, I'm right here. Alright, let's get right into it, baby. Let's get right into bag 5. Hello. Alright, so I'm at bag 6. I'm gonna fast forward it to the end because most of it is just similar stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm all done. So I think all that's left is the final part. Just put that in there. Oh, get in there. Yeah. And I'm done, you feel me? Yes, sir, this took me about like 2.5 hours, maybe even 3 hours. I did go out and eat real quick, but man, this looks beautiful. Nice centerpiece. It don't look like 800 pieces when it, but trust me, it is 800 pieces. These little yellow flowers, oh my god, they were a pain because you had to make like 5 of them and then repeat. It was just so much repetitiveness, and I'm so glad it's done. But yeah, man, I'll do a closer look. So let's take a look at. Yeah, this pretty much wraps up today's video. If you guys want to see more Lego videos like this, I'll be happy to make more. This was very relaxing, very fun. I think the biggest part of it to me was like seeing it come together little by little, you know. I think that was very satisfying to see that it start to come together. But yeah, man, again, like I said, if you guys want to see more of this, hit that like button. Without further ado, make sure you guys check out these 2 previously posted videos. And until next time, hello, I'll catch you on the next one. You dig? Bye-bye.